Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Truck Guy Joe. Basically on this channel what we do is trucks, as you know, Chevy trucks, more Chevy trucks, and this Chevy truck. This square body here, I know everybody says there's no expense spared on a build, no expense spared, but I'm telling you on this truck, no expense was spared. This was a rust-free truck to begin with, but everything has been replaced. Every nut and bolt, molding, you name it. It has been completely gone through and redone to become a brand new truck. Quick walk around, not gonna spend too much time because the truck's still in progress, but we've got 8-lug wheels. You can see the Willwood calipers, slotted rotors. I mean, look at the transfer case, all the detail, everything is so clean. The frame, the body mounts, the underside of the cab, the underside of the bed. Everything's been completely restored and made new again. That's an RPM transmission. RPM, they rebuilt the transmission. It's got open headers for right now. The exhaust isn't done yet. Forged axles, 456 gears. You got lockers in the front and the rear. And look at the detail in the back. Nice B&M aluminum diff cover. This truck's been just completely gone over. A couple pieces we got to get, a few more trim pieces. Still got to do tail lights. Haven't decided exactly yet on the bumper, whether it be the chrome step bumper or the blazer type that kind of wraps around. Piece on the tailgate's brand new. Truck got a complete paint job, power sliding rear window, new GM dash pad. It's going to have Suburban type bucket seats in it, but this truck is just absolutely phenomenal. And the power plant I got to show you. So let me get this thing off the trailer and let you see what's under the hood of this truck. Here's just another quick shot of the undercarriage just from underneath. I'm just going to kind of make my way up under here so you can see just see the brakes from the back side. 6-inch lift, but it's all spring, no block. You can see that everything's just been redone on this truck. The entire frame's been done. Everything's been just blasted and painted, and holy cow, it's just really excited to share this with you. I mean, it was a great platform to begin with, and this is just going to be one nice truck when it's all finished. Show you this tailgate piece up close. The bed's all painted. Just have a mat in the back. No bed liner. There's this power slider. This truck is just straight. Both sides all the way down. The paint scheme is beautiful. The blue with the gray with the stripe. Just really came out nice. Beautiful truck. Here's just a quick sneak peek under the hood. We're not done under here just yet, but it is an LS motor. It's a 6.2, and you can see it's got ceramic headers. Let me sneak away over here. Yeah, there you can see the ceramic headers. Nice Chevrolet valve covers, and the coils are hidden. The coil packs are hidden on this truck, but there's still some more work to do under here. But just in general, nice, clean, simple install with AC. Really going to be a super nice truck when it's done. I don't want to show too much of the interior just yet because it's not done. There's some surprises to come, but some of the trim pieces are in, the carpet's in. These are bucket seats out of a Suburban. The power sliding windows in. We still got to put the headliner in. Got the one door panel kind of fitted up, dash pad. I don't want to show you the dash just yet. That's going to be pretty slick when that's all done. I promise I will. But just in general, just the paint on this truck, everything about it, it's just so straight and clean. Every square inch of this truck, every retainer, nut and bolt. So stay tuned, more to come, and thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.